In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read Selleramp profit calculations. When you open Selleramp, the key idea to remember is that profit is the money left after all Amazon fees. The tool automatically includes FBA fees, referral fees, VAT if you've set it, and any other costs you've configured. All you need to do is enter two numbers, your cost price, which is what you pay to buy the product, and your sale price, which is the price you plan to sell it for on Amazon. The moment you enter those, everything updates instantly. Start by typing in your cost price and your intended sale price. That's it. Selleramp does the math for you, so you can focus on making decisions instead of spreadsheets. Next, look at profit. This is your net profit per unit. The simple formula is profit equals sale price minus cost minus fees. Fees are already deducted automatically, so you're seeing the true per unit profit. For example, if you buy at $10, sell at $20, and fees are $7, your profit is $3. Now check ROI, which is often the most important metric for resellers. ROI stands for return on investment, and it shows how quickly your money grows. The formula is ROI equals profit divided by cost times 100. Using the same example, with a $3 profit on a $10 cost, your ROI is 30%. After that, review margin. Margin tells you what percentage of the selling price is profit. The formula is margin equals profit divided by sale price. With a $3 profit on a $20 sale, your margin is 15%. Look at max cost to understand the highest price you should pay for your inventory. This is calculated based on your minimum ROI and minimum profit targets. If your actual buy price is above the max cost, it's a bad deal for your settings. Check break-even to see the lowest price you can sell at without losing money. If the market drops below break-even, you'll take a loss, so this helps you avoid race-to-the-bottom price wars. Review AMZ payout to see what Amazon sends you after all fees. This is the real cash hitting your account per sale. Colors make scanning fast. Green means the numbers meet your targets. Red means they're below your settings. Those colors are driven by the minimum ROI and profit you set. For quick decisions, a good deal typically shows profit of $3 to $5 or more, ROI at 30% or higher, and green indicators. A bad deal shows profit under $3, ROI under 20%, and red indicators. Finally, avoid a common confusion. ROI is not the total money you get back. It's the profit percentage only. So a 30% ROI on a $10 cost means you earned $3 profit, not 13.